In this recording, we are going to explain an example of number 9 part B in practice paper A. It says 5-digit numbers can be made from the 7 digits 1, 3, 2, 5, 6, 8, and 9, where no digit can be used more than once. So how many of these numbers are less than 6,000? So to be less than 6,000, here with these numbers, you must begin with either 1, 3, 2, or 5. Now, please take note to the wording. You must begin with 1 or 3 or 2 or 5, or implies we must add in our solution. So first, we're going to calculate all the numbers that can be made from that set of numbers, that's 5-digit numbers, whereby they all begin with 1. So in order to do that, we have to fix 1. So we can label this numbers, 5-digit numbers, that begin with 1. So we have to fix the number 1, and we are missing 1, 2, 3, 4 more digits to complete the 5-digit number. We're going to select those 4 digits from a set that does not contain the number 1. So that set is the set that contains 3, 2, 5, 6, and 8, and 9. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are selecting 4 from the 6 and arranging 4, because 1 has to stay right where it is. It's not being rearranged, all right? Because we are calculating numbers that begin with 1. So therefore now, we are selecting 4 and arranging 4 and keeping 1 as the first number. So let's see how we can put this in notation form. So here's the notation of selecting 4 from 6 and arranging 4. So that is simplified as 6p4. And 6p4, any 6 and r is 4, will give us 360. So therefore, there are 360 5-digit numbers that begin with 1. So now we have to repeat that very same calculation for the numbers that begin with 3 or 2 or 5. So for those that begin with, well, let's go in order. For those that begin with 2, we have to fix 2. We have to remove 2 from the set and replace it with 1. So what you notice now, you will still end up repeating the exact same calculation. You are selecting 4 from a set of 6 and arranging 4. So the calculations are equal. So you can just simply repeat it. The same goes for 3. So if you notice, basically you can simply just multiply 360 by 1, 2. Let's go to the original set. By 1, 2, 3, 4. Just multiply 360 by 4, and that should give you your answer. because you can actually see the same thing is repeating. This is for those that begin with 2. Those that begin with 3. You have to put back the 2, but take out the 3. And those that begin with 5. All these numbers are less than 60,000. So for the final answer, 5-digit numbers that are less than 60,000. $360 plus $360 plus $360 plus $360. That's $360 times 4. So that's 1,440 numbers that can be made from that set. 5-digit numbers that are less than 60,000.